Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Baofeng Ham is probably one of the most versatile and affordable two-way radios available on the market today, offering a surprising range of features for its price point, making it a popular choice for hobbyists, emergency preparedness enthusiasts, and even some professional users who need a reliable communication tool without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking to get started in amateur radio, need a backup communication system for your home or business, or simply want a durable and functional radio for outdoor adventures, the Baofeng Ham presents a compelling option that balances cost-effectiveness with robust performance, and we're here to help you understand if it's the right fit for your needs. Number 5. Baofeng UV-5R Ham Radio Full Kit. Introducing the Baofeng UV-5R, a versatile ham radio designed for long-range communication. It's perfect for outdoor adventures and professional use. Experience clear communication with its dual-band capabilities, covering both VHF and UHF frequencies. This ensures you stay connected in various environments. Equipped with VFO and memory channels, dual display, and dual standby, it offers flexible operation. An auto keypad lock adds convenience and security. Easily program your frequencies manually or with chirp software. This adaptability makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether you're traveling, hiking, camping, or working, this device is a must-have. It's a favorite among walkie-talkie enthusiasts for its reliability. The full kit comes with everything you need, including the radio, an extended antenna, batteries, chargers, and earpieces. Get ready to communicate right out of the box. What we like. This is a classic and reliable choice for general use. It offers dual display and standby, making it easy to monitor two channels at once. If you're looking for a versatile radio for camping, hiking, or general communication, this is a solid option. What people say. The radio is a great entry-level option for amateur radio enthusiasts. It has a wide frequency range and can be programmed easily with chirp software. The build quality is surprisingly good for the price, with a solid feel and durable casing. Number 4. Baofeng UV-5R 8W Ham Radio Bundle. Introducing the Baofeng UV-5R Bundle, the perfect starting point for your ham radio journey. Everything you need is conveniently packed into one box, offering exceptional value. Never worry about running out of power again. This bundle includes an extra 1,800 mAh battery, providing up to 36 hours of standby time per battery for uninterrupted communication. Enhance your communication capabilities with the included TD-771 high-gain antenna. It significantly expands your signal transmission distance and improves reception, allowing you to reach further. Customize your radio with ease using the included programming cable and guide. You can program up to 128 channels via keypad or chirp, and add privacy codes to reduce interference. This radio is designed for broad compatibility, working seamlessly with many other popular handheld ham radios. It covers commonly used frequency ranges for versatile use. It's packed with practical functions like dual-band display, Vox, a built-in flashlight, and an emergency alarm, making it easy to learn and operate for new users. What we like. This bundle is perfect for beginners who want a complete package. It includes an extra battery for extended use and a high-gain antenna for better range. If you're new to ham radio and want a user-friendly experience with all the essentials, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a great radio for what you get. The cost is such I don't need to baby it. The Baofeng UV-5R is a compact, dual-band handheld ham radio that operates on VHF, 136 to 174 MHz, and UHF, 400 to 520 MHz, frequencies. This upgraded 8W version offers adjustable power output, 1W5W 8W, a 128-channel memory, and comes with a 2,100 mAh rechargeable battery, high-gain antenna, and a variety of accessories. High power output, up to 8W, offers extended range compared to standard 5W models. Dual-band capability, covers both VHF and UHF for versatile communication. Number 3. Baofeng R5RM 10W Long Range Ham Radio. Discover the Baofeng R5RM, a powerful 10W long-range handheld two-way radio. It's designed for reliable communication, even in challenging environments. Experience communication distances of 3 to 5 miles with its robust design. This radio is built to last, featuring a sturdy casing and anti-drop protection. Charging is now easier than ever with the integrated Type-C port. Power up using your car, a power bank, or any USB device, ensuring you're always ready to communicate. Easily copy frequencies from other compatible radios without needing a computer. This feature simplifies setup and ensures seamless communication with your existing equipment. The included 21 cm antenna boosts signal strength and extends communication range. It's flexible, lightweight, and designed for convenient portability. Utilize the Vox function for hands-free transmission, perfect when your hands are occupied. Plus, enjoy local FM radio for entertainment during your downtime. With 999 channels, 50 CT/CSS tones, and 210 DCS codes, you can ensure private and interference-free conversations. Enjoy enhanced call privacy and security. What we like. For those who value convenience and modern features, this radio is a great pick. The Type-C charging makes powering up easy, and the wireless frequency copy simplifies setup. If you need a durable radio with a better visual experience and easy frequency sharing, consider this model. What people say. The interface is nice, easy to navigate, and offers plenty of settings. It is not overly complicated for a beginner like me to use. 10 watts on high, 3 power settings like GT, 3 TP, scanning is improved, UV, 5R was weak. Metal frame, larger size, heavier, sturdier. Comes with big battery already, bigger still available. Comes with a decent antenna, UV, 5R was spindly. Audio scrambling so only paired radios can understand you. Much bigger screen, more visible. Can listen to aviation frecs and 1.25 mm ham band. Bigger buttons, quick access to NOAA weather frecs. Can charge via USB-C cable or cradle. Programming the radio is fairly easy. You can do it manually through the radio or you can use software through your computer. The radio is fairly lightweight, feels good in the hand with decent ergonomics. The included battery is nice as lasts a decent amount of time. Receiving, it will last days. Transmitting uses more power and even then, short of talking a lot, the battery will still last days. Number 2. Baofeng UV-5RM10W Handheld Ham Radio. Discover the upgraded Baofeng UV-5RM, a powerful 10W handheld radio designed for long-range communication. It builds upon the reliable UV-5R with enhanced features for superior performance. Experience a significant boost with 10W power output, up from 8W. It also boasts an impressive 999 storage channels, a vibrant 1.8-inch color display, and advanced functions like a stopwatch and power-on password management. Equipped with a 10W power output and a 15-inch 771 antenna, this device ensures stable, long-range conversations. Its excellent performance makes it ideal for various outdoor activities and professional settings. Simplify your setup with the one-click frequency matching feature. Easily copy frequencies from other radios, eliminating tedious programming and allowing for quick team communication, especially in unfamiliar environments. Enhance your communication experience with the included hand microphone and original headphones. These accessories make operation simple and convenient, offering good privacy and clear, secure calls. We stand by our product with a professional support team ready to assist you. Contact us with any questions, and we'll provide a response and solution within 24 hours. What we like. This is an upgraded version offering more power and enhanced features. With 10W output and a vibrant color display, it's great for demanding situations. If you need a more powerful radio with advanced functions like one-click frequency copy for quick team deployment, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Baofeng UV-5R is a popular choice for amateur radio enthusiasts due to its dual-band capability, VHF-UHF, and wide frequency range. It features a programmable memory for storing favorite channels, making it convenient for quick access during operation. The radio's compact size and durable construction make it suitable for portable use in various environments. Number 1. Baofeng UV-5RM10W Ham Radio 2-Pack. Discover the upgraded Baofeng UV-5RM, a powerful 10W handheld radio designed for reliable long-range communication. It offers enhanced features for clear and efficient conversations. Experience stress-free long-range calls with its 10W high-power design and an extended tactical antenna. This device ensures stable signal transmission, providing a wider communication range in various environments. Stay connected discreetly with the included professional earpiece. Its ergonomic design and clear sound quality ensure private conversations, even in noisy surroundings, allowing you to talk without holding the device. Simplifies setup with the one-click frequency copy function. This feature allows you to quickly sync all your radios to the same frequency, making deployment efficient and reliable for any scenario. This upgraded model boasts 999 storage channels, a 1.8-inch color display, and advanced functions like DTMF, BCL, and TOT. It also supports multiband frequencies including UHF, VHF, FM, AM, and NOAA weather alerts. Each pack includes 2 radios, tactical antennas, earpieces, charging stands, batteries, and essential accessories. You'll have everything you need for immediate and effective communication. What we like. This model is designed for serious communication needs. It boasts 10W power and a tactical antenna for superior range and signal stability, along with a professional earpiece for clear, private conversations. If you require robust performance for long-range communication in challenging environments, this is the radio for you. What people say. The radio is a great entry-level option for amateur radio enthusiasts. It comes with a rechargeable battery and charger, making it convenient for portable use. The programming software is user-friendly and allows for easy customization of channels and settings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.